Hello, today we will be creating a low poly bridge in Blender. This will be a wooden bridge as it has been requested by a subscriber called Vaxi, so shout out to him. So if you have anything in particular that you want to create and don't know how to, just let me know and I'll do a tutorial on it, okay? So what we're going to create first are the planks, so let's just actually use this cube that we have here. So we should scale it on the Z and scale it on the X, and that should be fine. What we're going to do now is a loop cut in the middle, just like that, and another one over here. So now to give some variation, so just to make it look stylized, I want to do Shift Control V, and it gives a nice look to what we're creating. Let's just do it all over. You can do it less or more, however you want to. So let's move some of these a bit down. Let's actually make this long. Let's do a little one over here. By the way, I'm moving the vertices pressing double G. Just a quick tip. I want to do the same over here. Let's see if it allows us to do it. Yeah. And I want to join this, so it gives the go into this other view and see if we can appreciate the variations a little bit more. Let's do another one over here. Let's actually move this and press Control V. Let's make this one long. And that should be good for the planks. I'm not sure if you can see it in the video or not. Maybe let's go to wireframe so you can see it a little bit better. But it has some nice variation. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into snap. I want to do, let's see the snapping settings. We want it in increment, and we want it, just in the moving. Okay, so we're going to duplicate. We're going to duplicate a few. So how many do we have? This should be enough. So let's separate these a little bit more. Actually, a teeny bit more. And of course you could make every plank different. That's up to you, but for the sake of this tutorial, so it's a bit shorter, I'm not going to. So now I'm going to grab this and lower it on the Z. and that should be good, although we want to give it some rotation. So let's actually go into this view. And let's do it carefully. Can change this a little bit, I guess. Doesn't have to be perfect. We more or less have the bridge style going on, and you can do this with as many planks as you want, of course. So now what we're going to create are the, I guess you could say, I can't remember the word now, like the wires that go around. So let's do it with a cube actually, and let's make this very small. And let's scale it on the Y. Maybe scale it a bit down. And now what we're going to do is add a bunch of subdivisions, loop cuts, and we're going to select the middle one, just like that, pressing Alt and the mouse button, and I'm going to press on proportional editing by pressing O. Well, I actually clicked on it, but and we want, I think we want this sphere mode on. I'm not sure actually. And we want to try to get the feel. Let's try. Let's just do it. Oops. I don't know what I pressed. Let's just do it one by one. So no, this is not going to. Sorry, guys. Just do it one by one, I guess. So, almost got it. Oh, I forgot to grab this one. Should take off the snap. I don't need it. And let's go into wireframe view. Let's select these, and no, actually those are not the ones we want to select. Let's select these. Let's move them down a little bit. And now what we want to do is move these. And then duplicate so we have them on the other side. And we might have to edit some of them a little bit, but that's okay. I think that looks nice. And now to finish off, let's wait. There we go. To finish off, we'll add another wire going up, so we can just duplicate this. You could scale it on the Y, and then we're going to create like little posts. So let's add a cube, scale on the Z. Guess we could do Control B to give it with variation. And now we want to add a torus. We want to change the number of major segments to somewhere around 5. And we want to duplicate this. And now with that and this, we can move them over to the other segments. Oops, I forgot to grab the post. There we go. So something like that. So thanks for watching, guys. If there's any request on something you would like to see, please let me know and I'll do it for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.